Ever wondered why your friends keep a safe 6 feet distance even when there's no pandemic? Maybe you're not as socially repulsive as you think, perhaps it's just your body odor. Yes, we're talking about that sneaky scent that makes people cringe. The culprit? Often it's your store-bought deodorant failing to do its job. But don't worry, we're not here to roast you. We're here to help you smell like a bed of roses. Or at least, not like a damp gym sock. So, you're ready to smell less like a locker room and more like a human being? Great, it's time to dive into the magical world of homemade deodorants. First off, we need our superhero ingredients, starting with coconut oil, the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen, ready to swoop in and save your day, and your nostrils. Next, we'll enlist the help of the essential oils. These are like your personal fragrance composers, each one bringing its own unique scent to the symphony that is your new deodorant. We're talking lavender for a touch of calm, tea tree for that fresh, clean vibe, and peppermint for a little invigorating kick. But we're not done yet. We'll also need a little baking soda, the undercover odor assassin, and arrowroot powder, the sweat-absorbing sidekick. Now, let's get cooking. Melt that coconut oil and mix in the baking soda and arrowroot powder. Stir until you have a smooth, creamy paste. Then invite those essential oils to the party drop by drop. Mix them in and let them work their aromatic magic. Pour your concoction into an old deodorant stick or a small jar and let it cool. There you have it, your very own, homemade, nose-friendly deodorant. And voila! You've created a concoction that would make even a skunk hold its breath. Now that you have your homemade deodorant, it's time to put it to the test. Brace yourselves, folks, because we're about to step into the world of smelling good, naturally and economically. Who knew that smelling like a summer breeze could be as easy as pie and as cheap as chips? But here we are, saving our pennies while avoiding those sneaky harmful chemicals found in store-bought options. It's a win-win, really. Imagine this. You're at a party, someone leans in and says, "You smell amazing, what are you wearing?" And you, with a smug grin, say, "Oh, it's just my homemade blend of freshness." Trust me, nothing beats that feeling. So go ahead, give it a whirl. Make your own deodorant, and become the person who everyone wants to stand next to in a crowded elevator. And remember, nothing says, "I'm confident," like smelling like a homemade batch of freshness.